Meanwhile, former national assistant coach Miguel Coley has once again thrown his hat into the ring to be the next head coach of the Reggae Boyz team. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
Miguel Coley served as Reggae Boyz assistant coach under former head coach Winfred Schaefer from 2014 to 2016 before moving to the Asian continent, where he has been plying his trade for the past 7 years. The 42-year-old Coley now serves as the reserve team head coach at Salal in Qatar, and he told TVJ Sports on Thursday he's ready to take the reins as Reggae Boyz head coach.
In terms of being the head coach, is always a job that I am always interested in, and now more than any other time, because I believe I possess the quality and the capacity to inspire a country to once again rally around the Reggae Boyz.
Coley, who now has an Asian Football Confederation Pro license, believes he has the technical and tactical capacity to take on the national job on a long-term basis.
And most importantly, I know I can inspire these young players to go out, during the playoffs to give a perfect performance, and for the future to develop a structure, to develop a really good program. I think and believe that I am the person to do this.
In the meantime, experienced football coach and analyst Andrew Price says it's important to have a clear understanding of the specific role the interim coach will assume.
There's no FIFA window until March when the playoffs start. So this coach won't have the opportunity to do any scouting, do any preparation prior to the 4 days before the games, and then the 4 days where we play the semi-final and final of the Intercontinental Cup.
Price also listed the two candidates he believes are best suited to take on the interim head coach role at the moment.
No reputable international coach will be willing to take an interim position that doesn't guarantee them a long-term line of work. So definitely I think we have to look closer home to an individual or individuals who are acquainted with the current crop of players, know the nuances of our culture, having gone to this stage of a qualification, and have the requisite leadership skills to lead us to the promised land. And in my opinion, there are only two Jamaican individuals who I believe can do this job, and it's Theodore Whitmore and Miguel Coley.
Another analyst, O'Neill 1878 Meredith, also weighed in on the likely candidates.
I'm thinking that the coach should be coming from within what we have there in terms of the coaching setup for the JFF. So Rudolph Speed names come to mind. I think he is fancied, and even Meran Gordon, because you don't want to change much with just a short period of time to go. They know the players, they would have had a relationship with the players, bonded with the players. So I think they should at least be looking there. Looking outside in, Miguel Coley comes to mind. A lot of people stating that he should, maybe it's his time, but I don't know if I'd want to come into any coaching position under this situation or this scenario. Might hurt his abilities and chances later on, or make him a national hero, who knows.
A reliable source told TVJ Sports the JFF will look to have an interim head coach in place by sometime next week. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.